Hello everyone. Is the TMJ joint and the muscles bothering you and there is difficulty with the mouth opening or the chewing motions? Or if this is jammed, this can create issues with the neck and the head region. So here is a very simple method to release the TMJ joint and the muscles. Just support the joint region from the ramus, that is the ascending region of the mandible, with both your hands in this manner. Ask the patient to keep the jaw relaxed and then start shifting the jaw on one side, on either side. So let's shift the jaw on the right. And while the jaw is shifted on the right, the resistance is being provided by the right hand. And now ask the patient to just simply clench or bite and relax. Bite and relax while keeping the jaw pushed in one direction, and do that for about 30 seconds. And relax. And then now this time shift your jaw towards the left and now bite and relax. Bite and relax. And perform this for another 30 seconds. And within a minute you're going to find that the muscles around the TMJ region are going to be very much relaxed. Do try this technique and let us know your valuable feedback. The maneuver can also be performed using your own hands while wrapping the TMJ joints.